Hey guys, what's up? It's Kenzie. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be reviewing the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation and doing a all day long wear test. It's pretty crappy today, but I'm pretty sure that the rain is going to turn into snow and I have a couple errands to do. I have to go pick up my sister's dog for the night and we're going to be dog sitting. So I have a couple things to do and we're going to see how long and how well the Photo Focus Foundation lasts. So if you're interested in watching me review the Photo Focus Foundation from Wet n Wild, then just keep on watching. First thing I'm going to do is prime with my Tatcha, the Silk Canvas. I use this just about every time I do my makeup. I love how hydrating it is. So we're going to prime using that just in like the T-zone here. I like to double prime sometimes. I like to use this just to give my face a little bit extra moisture. And then I also like to use the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Dewy Luminance Face Primer or the No Problem primer. But today, for the sake of using Wet n Wild, I'm going to double prime using the Wet n Wild Dewy Luminance primer. I really like this one because it does give you like a sheer glow underneath your foundation. It primes your face really good. Okay, so I'm all primed and we're gonna go ahead and go in with the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation. I have it in the shade Buff Bisque. I really hope that this is the right shade. I was kind of just guessing in the store. I looked at a few different shades. The Ulta I went to kind of was crappy and had a lot of shades that were already like opened and gross and I just really wasn't satisfied. We're gonna go ahead and try this out. I like that it comes with a little spatula. I've already smelled it. It is so bad, so awful. Like, I'm just warning you guys now that like if you go ahead and purchase this, which it's really cheap, I'm pretty sure it was only like $4.99. You really can't beat that for a foundation, especially if it's gonna work as well as all of the reviews and stuff that I've already watched says that it's really good. So you really can't beat that. I'm just gonna go ahead and put this on my hand first, and then I'm gonna dot it on my face. This smells so bad. Okay, and then I'm gonna take my foundation brush and start buffing it in. The shade match isn't too bad. I probably could have went and gotten a different one, but it's definitely doable. I think I'm definitely gonna need a little bit more coverage too. I'm just gonna take a little bit more on the back of my hand and dot it into the places that I feel I need a little bit more coverage. And then go ahead and buff again. My initial thoughts of this so far is that the smell is awful. It's definitely not full coverage, but it is buildable. I added almost kind of 2 layers to the face and it's somewhat at the coverage that I like. Maybe I'd like it a little bit more. I've heard a lot of people say the reasons why they don't like this foundation is because it doesn't soak into the skin, but it's soaked into the skin for me pretty well. It doesn't feel like there's really anything on my face. I like that when you can't really tell that you're wearing like foundation. I'm not going to show you guys everything that I'm doing on my face, but the next thing that I am going to do is I'm going to set my face and then I'm going to go off camera and finish my face. Today I'm going to go in with my RCMA translucent setting powder. I like this one, but it's not my favorite powder that I've ever used. I do have a new powder to try, but that's going to be in a different video. I'm just taking a little bit on my brush here, making sure I'm not setting anything. I'm not going to go in with any concealer today. I'm just going to go ahead and set my face. Okay, so the face is all set and I'm going to go ahead off camera and finish the rest of my face and then I'll be back. Okay, so I'm back. I've finished my face and this is the final look. So far, it's only been about maybe 15-20 minutes since I've put on the foundation, but I really love how the way this looks. I really definitely could have gone with a different shade, but it's totally okay. This would be good for like a summer shade for me because I get tanner in the summer and this would match more. But right now it's in the winter and I get kind of pale in the winter, so I could have definitely gone with a lighter shade. But this is pretty good. I like it. I really don't have any complaints right now. There's no creasing. The coverage is pretty nice. Like I said, it could be a little bit more full coverage. I don't really have anything to complain. And we are gonna do check-ins today throughout the day and I will update you guys with how this foundation lasts and how it performs. So if you want to see me wear the Photo Focus foundation from Wet n Wild all day long, then just keep watching. Okay guys, I'm doing a check-in right now. I'm with my sister's dog, Poe. I just picked him up. He's gonna be spending the night with us. So I just wanna do a check-in real quick before I hit the road again. It creased a little bit into here. Not too bad though. It hasn't faded that much, but it still looks pretty good. Yeah, I think it's holding up pretty good. Okay, so I'm doing a check-in. It is about 6:30, I think. And we are just about to sit down to eat dinner. And it creased a lot more right here, if you can see here in my like crease right there. Here, my acne scars are starting to fade through. And not so much down here. It still looks really good. It kind of looks almost fresh, but not really. Yeah, she's holding strong. Okay guys, so it has been 12 hours. Yeah, because I put my makeup on at 12, so it's been 12 hours since I applied the Photo Focus foundation. It lasted for quite some time. I don't think you can see it on camera, but it's really like clingy, and like honestly it's just wiping off at this point. Yeah, it's all patches right here and on my nose. I think I like this foundation. I have to try it out a couple more times before I can verify that I like the foundation or not. I have to try it out with a bunch of different products. Honestly, after I got home and I got like changed and settled in, it kind of started wearing down because like I feel like I tend to touch my face more when I'm at home. I don't know why, but makeup seems to fade more when I'm at home. It is now 2020, which is super exciting, a brand new year. I hope you guys celebrated and rang in the new year with all of your loved ones and have the night of your life. John and I just spent it at home, and I'm gonna insert a couple clips here of our night, because why not? So this year for New Year's Eve, John and I decided to stay home and we got some sparkling apple cider, so this is really exciting, and we got some plastic wine cups. We're about T-minus 10 minutes to 2020. Pop the top to this. Wait, hold on.
I'm gonna pop that.
Yeah, we're gonna pop the top and get ready to celebrate 2020. Nice. Oh my god! Did you shake this?
I didn't shake it.
This is really like fizzy.
Yeah.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year's. Cheers, baby. Happy New Year, bird. He's a good boy. Happy New Year, Poe. And here's to 2020. Let's hope that this year brings all good things. But that is it for my full day wear test for the Photo Focus foundation from Wet n Wild. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and hit the notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. Whatever you're doing this year, I hope that it's good and this year treats you well. Until next time, guys. Bye.